Hello, and welcome back to another VIP tip from VMS. My name is Wyatt, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Clover Station and its cash drawer to show you exactly what's in the box, and I'm going to show you what the connections look like and how to run some basic functions on your device. Before we continue, I just want to ask that you hit the like button and the subscribe button with the bell notification icon turned on. That way it helps you stay informed for whenever we post a new video such as this to help elevate your business to the next level. So with all of that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So the reason we wanted to make this video is so we could show you as a merchant exactly what to expect when you receive your shipments. In addition, we wanted to show what the connections are going to look like and how to do basic things like running a sale so you can get up and running as soon as you get your stuff in the mail. So I'm going to unbox the more basic item first. Let's take a look at the cash drawer. This is very large, almost too large to show you in my setup here. We've got our cash drawer surrounded by 4 foam squares, and it's all wrapped up so that way it doesn't get dented in the mail and it doesn't get scratched up either. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the protection here. That's a good sized cash drawer. Alrighty, so on the back of the cash drawer, we do have a phone line and a pair of keys. So for this portion, this is where the cable comes in handy, and this is what's going to make contact with your station itself. We do have 5 bill and 5 coin slot holders here. Everything is pretty taped down, but the trays are removable for you just for easy access. Alrighty, now that I have a little more room to work, let's get into the actual Clover Station. Unlike the Mini and the Flex, we do have 3 boxes on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the one that has the handle, the largest box in here. So this one on the label does say Clover Station. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the actual device here. Alrighty, and there's the terminal itself, the Clover Station. Next, I'm gonna jump into our Clover Station accessory kit. This is the smallest of the 3 boxes that comes inside. So immediately opening the box, we do see our quick start guide front and center for us. We see not just 1 roll of receipt paper, but we have 2 in here. These appear to be adhesive Velcro strips. These are very nice to have just to keep everything nice and steady. So we have our power supply. This is the cable that will go from the wall to the power brick itself, and then the brick will go into the multi-use adapter in here. So here is our multi-use adapter. So on one side we see the power connector, we've got our Ethernet slot, and on the other side we have 2 connections for cash drawers. These are phone lines here. We have multiple USB ports, and we have 1 USB-C cable that's going to go into the Clover Station. This is nice because this one cable handles a lot of different functions for you. And the last cable I see in here is our included Ethernet cable. This is going to help get your device online with a hardwired connection. Now let's move this box out of the way. And this is our medium-sized box. On the label I see it says Clover Station Printer, so that tells me we're gonna have our Clover Station Printer in here. Okay. And that's the Clover printer that comes with your station. So at this point, I've got a lot to clean up here, so give me just a few seconds. I want to get the table all cleared off so I can show you how to get everything connected and how to do some basic tasks on your new Clover Station. All right, now that we've got the table cleaned off and I've changed my shirt for some reason, I wanted to go over the connections on the Clover Station before jumping into the tutorials. I've already got everything wired up for us, so I just want to show you where the connectors are and what they're for. The first connector I want to explain is the one for the cash drawer. There's 1 port, it's on the bottom towards the back side, and it's a phone jack connector. And you can see it right there. So I've already connected the included phone line into that port, and the other end goes into the multi-use adapter that comes with the Clover Station. So the nice thing is Clover labels all of their cables, so this one has a picture of $2 bills, and that same indicator is on the multi-use adapter there. There's also a hardwired cable. This does not get removed, and on the other end, we have a removable power cable. This goes into the power brick, which then goes into the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and stow this away for now. We have the Clover printer. This is going to get wired in directly to the station itself, so there's 1 hardwired cable there. And on the bottom of the station, we have 2 USB-C ports. So you can see them right there. And we've also got a security screwdriver there. So 1 port is used for the multi-use adapter, the other port is for the Clover Station printer. Very straightforward, very easy to use. So now that you know how to connect the device, let me show you how to run a transaction. The first thing we're going to do is tap the Register app on our home screen. Next, we're going to see all of our available inventory items. We're going to select the one that the customer is trying to purchase, and then we're going to press the green Pay button. Now you can see all of our available payment options. So for card, it's just telling us to have the card inserted or swiped on the right. For cash, we get different denominations, including exact change, and we have an other section, which is for doing things such as checks or gift cards. The Clover Station is compatible with EBT if you are authorized to do so. We do need to get you set up with a Clover Mini in order to be able to process those correctly, in which we have a separate video posted on our YouTube channel. So really quickly, I did want to show you how to make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network properly. We're going to go ahead and swipe from the top of the screen, and we're going to tap the little gear icon towards the top. Next, we're going to see a lot of different settings, but the one we're looking for is our Wi-Fi. Tapping that is going to present us with all of our available networks. You can see that we're currently connected to ours. Ours is encrypted and meets the standards. However, you will see some networks that pop up say they require stronger password authentication. So for that, if you do get that error, you just want to make sure you go into your network's settings and change the password type or any of the other encryption details. And that's pretty much it. It's that easy to get up and running with the Clover Station, getting it connected, processing a sale, and making sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network all on your own. If you do have any further questions, you can always reference our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Velocity Merchant Services. You can also call us at 888-902-6227 or visit us online at getvms.com for more info. We hope you found this information to be helpful, and we want to thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.